Hello, hola, konnichiwa. Welcome back to my channel. And today is a very special video because I want to show you the entire Sigma Beauty Winter Romance collection. I have it right here and we're gonna be unboxing it together and maybe a little try on because I'm barely wearing any makeup, but yes, I'm super excited. So let's unbox together. I must start by saying that I won a giveaway, and this is a little note I included. Congrats on winning our Winter Romance collection. You're going to love your new Sigma goodies. XOXO, Chandler of Sigma. And a little smiley face. So I'm very, very happy to have won and to unbox this with you now. It just came like literally 15 minutes ago, and I took that time to do a little bit of makeup and come on here and unbox it with you. So I never get PR, so I don't know how these things are done, but this is how it looks from the inside of the box. And let's remove. Oh, this is so difficult. Yeah, there we go. We destroyed the paper. And there we go with how it looks inside the box. I will start taking things out one by one. So, yay! I want to give away. How exciting is that? So first thing we have is the Magical Eye Brush set. It includes 3 eye brushes plus a beauty bag. Let's take a look at how it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I win stuff sometimes, but never this big. This is an entire collection. It really feels like I'm getting a PR packet. Maybe one day, maybe one day. So this is how the bag looks. Isn't it cute? So Christmassy and fluffy and velvety. And then inside we have 3 brushes. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at it. It's just too cute. Yeah. That's it. And the 3 brushes. I love the special frosty look that these brushes have. And I'm gonna be... Oh, they have the names as the other Sigma brushes. So one is a pencil brush. I love pencil brushes. And it has like this glittery texture. The E30 pencil by Sigma. You might see me a little bit distracted, but it's because, well, all of this is new to me. So this one is the E70 medium angled shading. I don't know how to show you brushes. First time I do it. So the video will get better as we continue removing things because we will see more stuff. And this is the diffused crease, the E36. I have a few Sigma brushes, but I don't have any of these 3, so these ones will come in handy for me. Definitely looking forward to. And next up we have the Holiday Glam brush set. Look at the packaging and the reflection from the ring light and the ceiling light. It's about 5 p.m. here in Japan, so I needed additional help with the lighting, so that's why I came on as quickly as I could. Light is fading. Okay, I will open the box of this off camera and then come back with the package unboxed. The unboxing within an unboxing. How meta is that? This is the Holiday Glam brush set. Has 5 makeup brushes and this lovely, 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 lovely beauty bag. It has also that glittery texture. Here are 4 brushes. One is missing inside. let's rectify that. And let's start with the one that was stuck inside. And it's the E45 Max, a small tapered blending. Oh yeah, gotta love that. I think it's easier if I show it this way. And I don't have that one. The E75 Angled Brow, sorry. The Eye Shading E55. I've contemplated purchasing this one, but I haven't. Obviously not with this beautiful special holiday vibe. Winter, actually, it's not like holiday, it's more like winter. And it's getting cold again. So, and this one is the F85 Airbrush Kabuki. And it's so soft. You have no idea how soft this brush is. I will have to look up what each of these brushes do, but this one seems perfect for like applying powder foundation. And this one is the Powder Sculpt. So I'm guessing this would be good for contouring, bronzing. It's the F44. And those are the brushes that come in this set. Next up we have the Slay All Day Travel brush set, a face brush and 2 eye brushes. And the eye brushes that come in here are the A32 Exact Blend, the E65 Small Angle, and the F40 Large Angle Contour. Which I have the soft angle contour. So this is interesting because it's not a repeat exactly, but for a second there I thought it was a repeat, but just in travel size. So let's open this and take a look. In these 3 tiny brushes, but it's nice, something for on the go that you can use with any of the bags that the other products came in. So this is the small angled brush, the E65. This is the large angled contour. This one definitely is for contouring. Maybe the other one that I showed you could be for blush as well. And the Exact Blend E32. I think this is well packed, so great for depositing pigment in your eyelids. So that's that. Next up we have another small Getaway Glam brush set. 2 eye brushes plus a beauty bag. Okay, so maybe those 3 that I just unboxed. Okay, I have a little trouble opening them, but I'm still just gonna open it in front of camera. I mean, look at this packaging. It's just so great. It's beautiful. This is all so beautiful. And the brushes are inside. This is the bag. It's so shiny, rose gold. I hope you can see it. And the 2 brushes. I think the other ones don't fit in here, at least not the face brush, but we'll try to fit them. So we have the E55. This one, great for packing as well. Is the eye shading, which I think came somewhere else. I feel like we have heard E55 before, but honestly, it could be that I already own that brush. So, and this is the E40 that I'm sure that I own because I have it here, the tapered blending. So now I have, this is the one that comes in the set, and this is the one that I have used and love. And this is the one I used to apply the eyeshadow before coming onto the video. So, and the eyeshadow I used was the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in Molten. It's just in case anyone wanted to know. And if not, I'm deeply sorry. I'm oversharing because I'm overexcited. let's try and fit the other brushes. And the other travel brushes fit all but the face brush. So the face brush is a little too big. Oh, I was doing that off camera, sorry. I just noticed, but well, there are 4 brushes in here, 4 travel size brushes. One from the other set, the Slay All Day Travel brush set. I put the 2 eye brushes that came with that set in here, and it worked out just fine. But still, that's pretty good. We can just stuff all the brushes in this wonderful, wonderful, beautiful fluffy bag and carry it around, because why not? Okay, I had to do that. I'm gonna stop with the fluffy bag, but I'm really excited about the fluffy bag. Now, makeup. Lovable Little Lip Duo. I'm wearing a little bit of lip gloss. I found a little Rowan Kiss My Lips and Charlie. Put it on, but let's try. I wish I knew the shades of these lip glosses. Oh, it says mini liquid lipstick Corde Rosa and mini lip gloss Lilac Wine. I wish I knew which one was which, but I don't. I am familiar with Sigma's brushes, but not with their makeup. So I'm so excited because I'm gonna get to try their makeup. So let's do this one first. It's a nice shade. Very similar to what I'm wearing already. And let's top it off. I should have done this one first. So I'm just gonna swatch it. So I think this is the mini liquid lipstick, and I just put on the gloss first. So this is how the mini liquid lipstick looks. It's really nice. Yeah, and I should have had something to clean, but I don't. So let's stop here and come back. The last of the boxes that came in is the Winter Romance Makeup Collection limited edition makeup bag, makeup plus beauty bag, and it contains the Warm Wishes eyeshadow palette, 6 shades in matte, shimmer, and metallic finishes, Glisten and Glow Cheek Duo, a lustrous highlight plus a matte blush. I love me a matte blush. Snow Kiss Hydrating Lip Duo, a moisturizing lip balm, and a Renew Lip Oil. And a beauty bag, chic storage for touch-ups and on the go. So, let's open this. Ooh, this bag is gorgeous. Like, look at this. It's the same kind of rose gold as the mini. I'm doing my best, but the lighting is not the best. There you go. And it's open. And inside is also rose gold. And even the box of the eyeshadow palette has that lovely glittery texture. But you don't get glitter on your fingers, so it's very adhered. The Warm Wishes eyeshadow palette. I wish I could dip my fingers on this, but I want to make pictures for Instagram, so this is how the palette looks on the outside. And this is how it looks on the inside. The pan size is great. I think 7.4 grams of product, and I love this warm toned brown shade. I mean, look at that. This is totally my color story. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I dig. This is made in China, and just in case you wanted to know what was the country of origin of the palette. We have also the Glisten and Glow Cheek Duo. Liven up your winter complexion with this toasty cheek duo, featuring 2 velvety soft pressed powders. The lustrous highlighter and beautiful blush are great to wear alone for subtle color or together for a rosy glow. Oops. Look at that golden highlighter. It's perfect for this season. And the blush looks gorgeous. I really just want to go in and finish my makeup with this, but it will have to wait. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video where I use the products. Oh, look, Glisten and Glow. And that sound that you hear is the 5 p.m. bell in my town. We have a 5 p.m. bell to signal the end of the workday in the fields. Now that the bell is over, I'm back. But it was kind of cute that it showed up. And I'm back with the last 2 products. The Moisturizing Lip Balm, enriched with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This sounds good. Let's open it. And this is how it looks. Doesn't make sense to swatch a lip balm, but it has a rosy tone that you can't really see in the picture, so I'm just gonna let it be. And the Renew Lip Oil, I don't know, lip oil tint, maybe the color is tint. Maybe the shade is, yeah, the shade is called Tint. Oh, this looks good. And this is the lip oil. So that has been everything for my unboxing. If you like this video, or if you want to see me try on all these products on a future video, comment and like this, like this, and subscribe if you want to see more. So sayonara beautiful, bye.